Alam mo yung feeling ng simpleng araw, pero parang special. Yun yung vibe today. Walang plano, walang pressure. Just me, my cousin, and the road ahead. We started the day early. Medyo antok pa pero the moment na tumama na yung hangin sa mukha, biglang game on na ulit. Running, walking, laughing, parang lahat ng pagod sa city na release sa bawat hakbang. Minsan tahimik lang, just the sound of our shoes hitting the ground. In between those moments, you realize this is what it means to breathe again. No rush, no deadlines, just good vibes, good company, and that feeling na you're exactly where you're supposed to be. We didn't chase distance or time. We just let the moment take us. And habang naglalakad kami, I couldn't help but think, ang dami nangyari sa mundo. Pero itong simpleng lakad with cousin, it's enough. Maybe that's what life's about. Not always running fast, but slowing down just enough to enjoy the view. To laugh, to connect, to feel alive. So yeah, today wasn't about the finish line. It was about the journey. And honestly, that's the kind of trip I'd choose over and over again. Hey, looking for a charger na mabilis, matibay at sulit sa presyo? This one's for you, bro. Introducing the iPhone Fast Charger built for speed, safety, and solid performance. With the smart charging technology, kaya nitong mag-charge ng mabilis habang pinoprotektahan pa rin ang battery ng phone mo. Wala nang overheat, wala nang hassle, just pure fast charging power. Perfect para sa lahat, students, gamers, professionals, o kahit everyday user. Kung gusto mong laging 100% charge, ito na yung charger na dapat meron ka. At itong best part, before 299 pesos, pero ngayon 66 pesos na lang. Yes, 66 na lang, that's over 75% off. Matibay ang cable, solid ang connector, so you get speed, safety, and quality. Lahat yan sa presyo na hindi mo akalaing totoo. Pero hurry, limited stocks na lang to. Grab yours now habang may promo pa. iPhone Fast Charger from 299 to 66 pesos only. Fast, safe, reliable. Because real power deserves real speed. Order yours today before it's gone. Click mo na lang yung link below.